Strength. That's where baking soda quietly delivers a deep, lasting advantage by lowering the buildup of lactic acid and creating a more alkaline environment inside the body. This small shift supports the mitochondria, the cell's energy generators, helping them function more efficiently, especially in the smooth muscles around the intimate region. Gerald started taking baking soda 3 times a week, combined with gentle stretching and calm breathing in the mornings. After a month, he said something that stuck with me. It feels like the engine's running again. Not perfect, but alive. That's what real mitochondrial renewal feels like. Quiet, steady, and full of deep energy. But here's what's even more interesting. Acidity doesn't just affect your mitochondria. It also affects your hormones. The body's inner environment influences how those key hormones behave and respond. I often hear this frustration from men. Doc, my hormone numbers look fine, but I still feel drained, unmotivated, and nothing's improving in the bedroom. And they are right. Their lab results usually fall within normal ranges. But the truth I tell them next always surprises them. Hormone levels are only half the story. The other half is how well your body actually uses them. This depends on something called receptor sensitivity, or how clearly your cells receive and respond to hormonal signals. I'll never forget Martin, 64, a retired officer, strong build, sharp mind, but with a tired look in his eyes. They told me my hormones were fine. He said, so why do I still feel flat? After some deeper tests, I saw his levels were indeed okay. But my hunch was right. Years of inflammation and internal acidity had dulled his hormone receptors. It's like trying to shout through a thick wall. The message exists, but it never really lands. This is where baking soda helps in a way most men never realize. By gently reducing internal acidity and quieting inflammation, it improves the environment where your hormones work. It doesn't boost hormone levels directly. Instead, it clears the interference. It helps your receptors respond properly, allowing your existing hormones to connect and activate like they're supposed to. Martin began a simple routine. Small doses of baking soda in water a few mornings each week, paired with light resistance exercise. About 6 weeks later, he walked in smiling. My drive's coming back, he said. Not just in the bedroom, everywhere. It's like something switched back on. That switch didn't come from extra hormones, but from his body finally listening to them again. Even when your hormones are balanced, performance still depends on more than hormone levels alone. Your key organs, the liver and kidneys, play an essential role in cleansing the body, regulating hormone conversion, and keeping blood flow strong. And what baking soda does for these organs often surprises people. One of the biggest reasons men begin to lose their physical, emotional, and intimate edge after 60 is something we rarely talk about: toxic load. Over time, waste products, old hormones, and environmental toxins build up inside the body. Your liver and kidneys are responsible for removing them. But when they become overworked or sluggish, everything slows down. Blood thickens. Hormones lose balance. Circulation weakens. Even your energy and mood begin to fade. I've seen this countless times. Men who look healthy on the outside but feel completely drained on the inside. One man comes to mind, Carlos, 70, a retired accountant. He ate clean, never smoked, and lived a disciplined life. Yet he said something felt off inside, like his body was heavy from the inside out. His blood pressure was creeping up. His motivation was gone. Desire was fading. His tests showed slightly elevated uric acid, mild kidney strain, and a sluggish liver. Nothing severe, just enough to explain how he felt. That's where baking soda quietly came to the rescue. It reduced the acid load on his kidneys and helped restore healthier urine pH, making filtration smoother. For the liver, it encouraged better bile flow and eased inflammation, lightening the load of metabolic waste. It's a gentle helper, not harsh, but steady, perfect for older men who need subtle, ongoing support. Carlos began taking a small amount of baking soda every other morning, followed by water and a bit of lemon. Within 3 weeks, he told me something simple but powerful. My body feels lighter, like I'm not carrying as much. Even his intimacy began to return gradually but noticeably. When your liver and kidneys function better, everything else responds too. Your hormones, your circulation, your clarity, and your mood. That's the foundation of real performance. Now let's take this one step further. You've heard me talk about blood flow and hormones. But what if I told you baking soda could also help with stubborn belly fat and the cravings that silently sabotage energy and hormone balance? What comes next might surprise you. If you're a man over 60, you've likely noticed a frustrating pattern. That stubborn weight around your belly just won't leave, no matter how clean you eat or how much you walk. And then there are those random cravings, the late-night pull towards sweets or carbs that feel harder to resist than ever before. I remember Jack, a 66-year-old former football coach. He patted his midsection and sighed, "This thing right here, it's holding me back. I eat right, I stay active, but it's not moving." He was also noticing lower drive, fading energy, and poor sleep. The truth is, belly fat isn't just about stored calories. It's hormonal. Abdominal fat produces an enzyme called aromatase, which converts vital male hormones into estrogen. So, the more belly fat you carry, the more of your hormones are lost in conversion. When that balance tips, everything suffers: your motivation, your circulation, and your intimate performance. Here's where baking soda steps in unexpectedly. By helping to regulate the body's internal pH, it promotes more stable blood sugar throughout the day. When your blood sugar stays balanced, you experience fewer cravings, less fatigue, and better metabolic control. That stability allows your body to shift from constant storage mode back into fat-burning mode, especially around the midsection. Jack began starting his mornings with a simple habit: a glass of warm water with lemon and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, followed by a protein-rich breakfast and light exercise. 4 weeks later, he reported fewer cravings, less bloating, and a smaller waistline. But what stood out most wasn't just a physical change. It was a confidence in his voice. "I feel like I'm in charge again," he said. "I don't see a man giving up when I look in the mirror anymore." Less sugar, less fat, more balance, more drive. That's the quiet power of restoring the body's internal environment, one small daily ritual at a time. But there's still one piece left in this story, and it's one that most men never consider. What if your challenges in the bedroom aren't purely physical, but neurological? What if your nervous system itself is out of sync, and baking soda can help restore that balance? Let's dive into that next. Here's something most men overlook. Your performance, stamina, and even desire are not just physical functions. They are deeply connected to your nervous system. Think of your nerves as the electrical wiring of your body. If the current is weak or disrupted, no matter how strong the machine is, it won't run efficiently. As we age, stress, poor sleep, and years of acidity in the body start dulling this electrical system. The signals between your brain and your reproductive organs slow down. The result? We feel less responsive, less energetic, and less connected. Baking soda, in its simplest form, helps reduce this internal acidity. When your pH becomes slightly more alkaline, your nerve function improves. That means faster communication between your brain and body. And yes, that includes those moments of intimacy. Now, here's where it gets powerful. When combined with lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, baking soda becomes even more effective. The lemon and vinegar help with digestion and liver detoxification, while the baking soda neutralizes excessive acid. Together, they create a perfect balance, cleansing your gut, supporting hormone metabolism, and enhancing blood flow to the areas that matter most. Many men report something fascinating after just a week or two of using this mix: deeper sleep, lighter digestion, and morning energy they haven't felt in years. That's because your nervous system starts to reset. When your nerves fire efficiently, your muscles, heart, and even reproductive organs respond in harmony again. Here's a simple way to use it safely. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with the juice of half a lemon or 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water. Let the fizz settle, then drink it once a day, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach. This gentle ritual does more than just balance pH. It sets the tone for your entire system to perform better. Your blood flows more freely, your mind feels clearer, and your energy begins to return. But remember, this isn't magic. It's chemistry aligned with biology. By restoring the body's internal balance, you allow your natural systems, hormonal, circulatory, and neurological, to work the way they were designed to. And when that happens, the results are undeniable: stronger vitality, sharper focus, and renewed confidence that doesn't just show in your face, but in how you move, think, and live every single day. There's another powerful way to unlock the full benefits of baking soda by combining it with natural oils for external use. You see, your skin is more than just a protective layer. It's a living organ that absorbs and transfers nutrients into your bloodstream. When you apply the right blend of ingredients, it can help improve local circulation, support hormonal balance, and awaken your body's natural energy flow. Baking soda, when mixed with certain oils, helps neutralize toxins trapped beneath the skin while promoting microcirculation, the fine network of blood vessels responsible for carrying oxygen and nutrients to your tissues. Think of it as a natural reset for tired, sluggish areas of your body that haven't been getting proper blood flow for years. The best oils to pair with baking soda are castor oil, olive oil, or coconut oil. Each of these has unique properties. Castor oil penetrates deep into tissues and supports lymphatic drainage, which is vital for clearing toxins and improving hormonal balance. Olive oil nourishes and strengthens the skin, providing antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Coconut oil enhances absorption and leaves your skin smooth and refreshed. To create a revitalizing massage blend, take 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix it with 2 tablespoons of your chosen oil. Stir until it forms a smooth paste. Warm the mixture slightly before use to help open your pores and encourage better absorption. Then, gently massage it below your navel and across your lower abdomen in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes before bed. This simple practice not only improves local blood circulation but also stimulates the nerve endings in the abdominal region, which are directly linked to your reproductive system and digestion. As circulation improves, you may begin to feel a noticeable sense of warmth and vitality returning to the lower part of your body. Over time, consistent use of this natural blend can help reduce stiffness, enhance energy flow, and support a more balanced hormonal rhythm. Many men over 60 who've made this part of their nightly routine report feeling lighter, more energized in the morning, and more in tune with their body's natural rhythm. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about nurturing your system from the outside in. When your skin, blood, and nose work in harmony, your overall vitality improves in ways that can be seen and felt. So take a few minutes each night to reconnect with your body through this simple yet powerful massage. Your circulation, energy, and confidence will thank you for it. When you combine both internal and external approaches, the baking soda drink to balance your system from within, and the oil massage to boost circulation from the outside, you create a complete method for restoring energy and vitality at any age. It's a simple yet powerful way to help your body remember how to function at its best. Think of it as fine-tuning a classic engine. The fuel and the maintenance work together to keep everything running smoothly. Internally, baking soda works to restore your body's ideal pH level, reducing acidity that often drains energy and weakens hormone activity. Externally, the oil blend stimulates blood flow and rejuvenates tired tissues that may have lost responsiveness over time. Together, they form a synergy that supports both balance and strength, helping your body perform the way it was designed to. But the true secret to lasting results lies in consistency. Doing this just once or twice won't create major change. The key is to stay committed. Make the internal drink part of your morning routine and the massage part of your nightly ritual. Within a few weeks, you may notice subtle shifts, waking up with more energy, feeling lighter during the day, and experiencing a deeper sense of vitality and confidence in your body's natural rhythm. To enhance these results even more, combine your new habits with small, sustainable lifestyle changes. Get 20 minutes of sunlight daily to encourage natural hormone production. Include zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and lean meats to support testosterone. Drink enough water to maintain proper blood flow. And make time for relaxation. Stress is one of the biggest silent blockers of vitality in men over 60. With each day of consistent effort, you're not just maintaining your health. You're actively rebuilding it. You're reminding your body that age is not a limit, it's a stage of mastery. The more care and intention you give it, the more it rewards you with energy, clarity, and strength.